Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy, I'm back with a part 2 of my relay Raspberry Pi setup for Christmas lights. We're going to be using the Lightshow Pi software for this. But anywho, I went ahead and I think I left off sort of after I mounted these. So I went ahead and mounted all them, got the supply in, mounted up a terminal strip, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump the two neutrals and the two grounds on each box, so that'll leave me 4 total grounds and 4 total neutrals. Then we're just going to put them on here on the terminal strips for each. I went ahead and did up my cable here. This will plug into the wall. It'll come out of the bottom of the box like such. Come in the box like that. Then went ahead and soldered on some terminals. That'll go in up here to the receptacle. Then I'm going to come off the receptacle to supply power to the power supply. This is 5 volt 12 amp power supply for the Pi and the relays. Then also the neutral and the grounds coming from our receptacles will come in here, come into the receptacle here, so we can power all them receptacles for the Christmas lights. So this is what I did. Like I said in the first video, I like soldering and stuff, so I went ahead and put on some terminals, soldered them, then put some shrink on. So like I said, I got the neutral and the ground spliced together, crimped together. Then I got 4 hots coming off because like I said, I'm running channel 1, 2, and so on. And like I said, we have to break that little tab in half, as you can see there, so we can supply power to this one and this one off 2 different channels on the relays. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in there. Then I'll just fish the wires from one box to the other box and down and out. Then I'll be back. Okay, so now I have all these mounted onto the plates and fed down through here. So I have all my wires coming out here. Obviously my grounds and my neutrals. Like I said, I was tying 2 grounds and 2 neutrals together for each box, so that leaves me with 4 each. Then my 16 hots for my relays. Now obviously I don't know which one is channel 1, 2, and so on. So I got some labels that I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on like that. And I'll just use a continuity tester to pin out which wire goes to what channel, so I can sort of have them in order for my relays. Like I said earlier, I think I'll mount my relays here, 2 8-channel solid relays. I think I'll mount them here. The grounds and the neutrals are going to go right here, grounds over here, neutrals right here, and that's all fed back to the main receptacle. And when I hooked this up, I forgot to feed that through the box here, and the hole ain't big enough to fit the thing through. So I have a connector that I'm going to probably cut this guy off, solder on, then I can mount it here some way. So I won't have no wire hanging, no power cable hanging out the bottom of the box. Everything will be enclosed. So I guess my next thing is to solder on some terminals for the neutrals and grounds and work on this guy. Like I said, the Pi will be mounted here. This will be used to power the FM transmitter, and I might mount that on the door, but I'm not sure yet because I don't have much room here, and over here will be the relays, so we'll see. But anyway, stay tuned for another part of wiring up the relays.